Brandon, nursery, thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Ogle County in north-central Illinois, northern DuPage County in north-central Illinois, southeastern Winnebago County in north-central Illinois until 10:15 p.m. At 9:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Rockford Airport, moving at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockford, Genoa, Rockford Airport, Cherry Valley, Davis Junction, Kirkland, Kingston, New Milford, Monroe Center, and Fairdale. Including the following interstate, Interstate 39 between mile markers 112 and 122. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin,